This tutorial will show you how to sew a scarf with fringed ends. This will not work with fleece fabric, but with flannel or other types of woven fabrics this will work. Basically, if the fabric can fray, then this technique can work. So start by cutting your fabric the length that you want. Something that's approximately 60 inches by 10 inches is a good size for a scarf, but you can adjust that according to what you like or what you need. So what you are going to do is you'll pick at the yarns at the edge of the scarf until you can pull away individual yarns. For materials that are more loosely woven, this will be easy. For some materials, you'll definitely want some kind of sharp tool to help you, such as a seam ripper, so you can pick off those individual threads. And you're just going to continue doing this until the fringe is as long as you want. It's kind of a tedious process. It's going to take longer than you want it to take, but it just kind of depends how long you want that final fringe to be. Once you are finished making a fringe at the ends, you can hem the longer sides of the scarf to make sure that they don't fray, and then you're finished. You have a fringed flannel scarf.